Hey guys, it's Miss Crow here. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about persuasive writing today. So I know the video from Tuesday's or Monday's assignment talked about creating ads with pictures and graphics and stuff like that, but you can also create a persuasive essay. So it doesn't have to have pictures, it can just be words. So we're going to talk a little bit about that today. Um, persuasive writing. Persuasive writing is a type of writing that tries to convince a reader of an opinion or belief. So, why do authors persuade their readers? We can try to persuade readers to change their mind about something, to keep readers, for money, to support a cause, to be bestsellers, or to buy a product. So, the type of writing we are doing this week is trying to convince readers to support a cause, the cause of protecting sea turtles or endangered animals, right? So, how do authors persuade readers? You can provide free gifts, advertisements like we talked about yesterday with graphics and photos and catchphrases, humor, a celebrity, tugging at emotions, scare tactics, familiar things, or favorite characters. So I want you to keep this in mind. We are doing persuasive writing. We are trying to convince a reader to join our cause to help protect the sea turtles. So what kind of details would you provide the reader to encourage them to protect sea turtles? Maybe it's the number of sea turtles that don't survive. Maybe it could go on and on. There's a whole list of reasons, and we can get those reasons from the story that we're reading, or we can also get the reasons from any other research that we do. We can type in Google facts about sea turtles, and we can use that information to convince our reader to support the cause of protecting sea turtles. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in contact with me, and I will talk to you or see you soon. Bye bye.